Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here to show you another unboxing. This is another Kaweco pen and I guess you can already understand what it is. It's another new release that was announced, and I have here a Victorinox knife to show you the pen we have inside. So thank you Kaweco for sending me these, because I know this is kind of against the rules, but they were nice enough to send it so I can show this to you. Let me try to open the package. Sometimes I fail at even these very simple situations. Okay. The box is completely ruined, doesn't matter. So we have here a package. Let me take away this paper that has the address. So the package was packed by Nicole, so I have it here. And here we have the stuff, the black stuff that I like for photos. It's nice. And here we have kind of an envelope made with this paper, and inside we have the traditional postcard, this sticker, and we have the small Kaweco sticker, and we have this leaflet with informations about the brand and history, and finally we have a pen. Let me take this out of the way and let's see what we have here. So to open this, we will have inside a pen that I'm very excited with. And what is this? This is the new Kaweco DIY Sport. So this means this is the new pen that is available only on physical stores. You cannot buy it online. Kaweco sent it to me just for to try. So this pen is available in some stores, also in some pens at some pen shows, and this pen is the DIY Sport, the do-it-yourself Sport. Is a pen that is made only in the store through the PC. So you go there, you have the parts of the pen. You are allowed to buy the pen and to assemble the pen for yourself. You put all the parts together with a machine to help fix this part. I never went to such an event, but I hope I will someday. And then you take the pen home. It is not sold online because stores only receive parts, and then it's your experience to make the full assemblage of the pen. So the do-it-yourself Sport is a pen that is made every year. This is the third edition. Is made every year at stores that will go around the world. The dates are being released. I will leave the link below for the place at Kaweco website where you can see the dates. So this is available for around 1 year, and throughout that year you can see where this experience is being held, and you can go there and make the pen yourself. So this one is a very strange color. It's kind of green, and it is a pen that it has the chrome trim, the nib, which is the steel nib, silver colored, regular color, and then it comes with a cartridge inside. So that is what you'll get when you go to a store and make it. There were already 2 versions of this pen before. As I told you, this is the glow in the dark, because this will glow in the dark. I'll need to shut the lights off and see how it works. But first let me make some comparisons. We have here the DIY Sport Berry, which has this kind of, it's not a burgundy, but it's a berry color, and this is the Emerald Eve, which is kind of a greenish blue. It's not, it's a color that's not that easy to describe. And let me bring this light closer. And just for comparison, for color comparison, because I know you like that, I have here, I cannot show you some stuff that I already received because the video is scheduled for a couple of days from now, but I have here the Kaweco collection iridescent pearl, just to see it's not the same kind. This is more similar to a frosted sport, and here, let me put it there, you have the coconut, I think it's natural coconut, the banana, is it sweet banana, not sure, and the something lime, I'm not sure about the name of these. So you can see that even if I had to put these pen into a collection that already exists, I would put it on the Frosted Sport, and if it was in the Frosted Sport, you can see it's not the same color. It is made to glow in the dark. Now it's night, I'm not sure if I will be able to charge this pen decently to show you how it looks without any light, but I will see what I can do. So, I think this is fun. What do you think? I think my phone is not able to focus these without any ambient light. So, that's it. Sorry about that, but there you can see, this was the part that was on top of the table. It's not activated, but that one is. Let me uncap it and see. Okay, here you don't see any light because it was, okay, you can see some, interesting, but you can clearly see the difference between the parts that were exposed to light and those that were not. It was just now, so only with the light of this video, I think we have to understand that it's not enough to show it. So I think this is fun. This is the unboxing of this pen. It's not an unboxing that you'll be able to do. You have to assemble the pen yourself. Not that one. This one, you have to assemble the pen yourself. You need to check what the store or the event near you where this will happen, and then you can go there and make your own pen. So I hope you found it interesting to see how it looks next to the others, and do we really need this pen? I'm not sure if you really need a pen that glows in the dark. You'll not be able to write in the dark, it will not be easy, but I think this is a lot of fun. I'm very happy to be able to have a pen like that. I'm really happy. So thank you, Kaweco, for sending me this one. Thank you all for being on that side watching to these videos, and I hope we'll meet again here soon, at least the 11th March, I guess. So see you soon. Bye.